Hello, all Excel Academy students. This video is going out to you guys for this weekend. Those who are in crisis, this is PSA, public service announcement. For those who are in crisis that need immediate medical attention. Now, when I mean immediate, I mean if you're thinking about taking your life, call 911 or go to your nearest emergency room. If you are in a severe crisis to that point, please remember, all of us care about you. I know this is going to be a hard weekend for all of us. For those that are wondering, that are not aware of the school, for my subscribers, Excel Academy was a specialized school in Newark, Ohio. They closed approximately 9 years. Gonna be 9 years, or 8 years this year, this weekend. Just a programming note, this video is set to go out tomorrow afternoon. There will be a video going live on Sunday at approximately 10 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Daylight Time. For those who are wondering, it will be a video just to check up on you guys, and you are okay to comment on this video. This video will be locked on settings and will only be used as a training device for those who are in crisis. Now, if you live in Licking County, Ohio, and you're in crisis and it's a non-emergency type of deal, call the sheriff's office or call your local police department. If you're in Muskingum County, call either the Zanesville Division of Police or call the Muskingum County Sheriff's Office. If you are in Perry County, that goes for you in Roseville, which I usually do not include. If you're in Roseville, get a hold of the Perry County Sheriff's Office. If you are in Fairfield County and you are in crisis, that is if you are in crisis, call the Lancaster Police Department or the Pickerington Division of Police or the Fairfield County Sheriff's Office. For those who are in crisis in Eastern Franklin County, please, I'm begging you guys, call the Franklin County Sheriff's Office or Whitehall, Reynoldsburg, Groveport, Madison Township, or Gahanna Police Department if you're in crisis. This has been a public service announcement, and like I said, there will be a video scheduled to go out on this weekend on November the 7th. A candle, it'll be a short video with a candle, and I'll blow it out at exactly 10 o'clock in the morning. Peace, like and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for the next video. Tower 1 out.